10 people were supposed to live in this flat. I started going out on weekdays as well. Please God, अच्छा घर दिला दो यार मुंबई में. Riding with him all day, I had to pay was 35k. Hi you guys, what's up? So it's 4th of April today and now I'm a part of all the Flat and Flatmates group on Facebook. Then I started picking out 2 to 3 options randomly from Facebook which looks good in picture and visit them physically. It became a part of my weekend routine and then I started going out on weekdays as well. Now we have reached our first location. So it's a 2 BHK flat on 12th floor and this room was a common room which is very small without attached washroom, and this is the master bedroom with attached washroom. And I really like the master bedroom one, but the rent I had to pay was 35k for this view. This is my habit right now. I haven't eaten since morning and I'm just rushing from one property to another and I'm not liking anything. Please God, अच्छा घर दिला दो यार मुंबई में. It's still the same day. I did not have lunch and right now I'm sitting behind my broker's bike and riding with him all day just to find that perfect house. Like, it's so hot in Mumbai right now. This is our second location and I think we have reached nearby. And this is the building. I absolutely hated it because there is no ventilation. I cannot see any full window or balcony in this entire building.
वो तो बाहर हमें जाने का. मुझे नहीं पता. हाँ तो मेरे पास फोन है इसके लिए तो पूछना. वही का फोन है आपका? मेरे नीचे सुपरवाइजर का.
This is our location number 2 and this is the common kitchen which I think 6 people were using. This was supposed to be my room with attached washroom. Like, the mattress and bed की हालत बहुत बेकार थी and I just had this one window. और ये पूरा एकदम 3-4 बिल्डिंग का एक सोसाइटी है. I actually like the room because of the sunlight coming in, but कपड़े कहाँ सुखाना is a really big problem. But then I'm off to my next location and I don't know what kind of setup will that be. I saw my worst nightmare coming true and 10 people were supposed to live in this flat, 3 each in 2 rooms and 4 in the hall. Like, I don't know what to say anymore.
2 hours later.
I was so desperate that I went to see apartments in Malad as well and just see this one. This was the first room. इसका मुझे सेटअप अच्छा लगा, सब फिक्स था, अलमारी वगैरह, कपड़े सुखाने का भी सही था. And then this was the second room with the attached washroom, but this view scared me.
The next day.
So this is the next Monday. I got ready और मैं निकली ऑफिस के लिए. मैंने पहना है आज ये रेयॉन का बहुत ही अच्छा सा कंफर्टेबल kurta set which I got from my sister of course, and I took an auto for the station and पूरा दिन ख़त्म होने के बाद this is the रात का view. I'm so tired, done for the day, but yeah, this is the Mumbai local life. This is me after office. मैं अभी भी एक घर देखने जा रही हूँ and right now I can't remember which one was this, but yeah, I'm changing stations and going for the next location.
3 days later.
So while hunting I focused on 2 things. या तो मुझे फ्लैट वहाँ मिल जाए जहाँ मैं अभी ऑलरेडी रह रही हूँ, आई एम फेमिलियर अबाउट द एनवायरनमेंट एंड सराउंडिंग देयर, और अगर मैं बिल्कुल एक्सट्रीम जा रही हूँ तो मैं ऑफिस के पास में लूँगी एकदम नई लोकेशन, बट इट हैज़ टू बी नियर टू माई ऑफिस. सो आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग लाइक दैट. So this was a new redeveloped building in Dadar and I really liked the property, but the only thing I was concerned about was the surrounding. I had no idea like I should go for it or not. I think this was a successful flat hunting week and let's see you in the next vlog. And then I just went back home straight. Absolutely, it was around 10 when I reached home, but yeah, it was a successful hunt. See you in part 2. Bye.